Hey everybody, we have popped into Epcot on this wonderful Sunday afternoon. We're trying to get in to go and see if the gift shop now at Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is open. I'm hearing that it might be, so I'm really excited to go in, check it out, see what all there is, if there's anything new, or at least just see the inside of the building. So I did notice though on the way in that Simple Plan is here and playing for the Garden Rocks concerts, and I haven't even seen one this season. So I'm really excited to see if Jonathan will let us stay for that one, if we can squeeze it in and kind of rock out for a little bit. So yeah, so we're back here on the mainland, getting ready to go back out into the park. So come along for the ride. Okay, here we go. Treasures of Xandar is now officially open. So we'll get to go in and take a look and see what all it looks like on the inside. They're also opting to utilize the mobile checkout process, so they ask that you shop, scan, and show and go. Look around the entirety of the store. They've kept the theming here so nicely through the light queue line and the rest of the experience indoors for the ride. Check out these mannequins. I know, they're so awesome. I think these floating mugs are probably one of my newest favorite things. Check out how cool they are. And this Novacore backpack is awesome too. It's like a sling bag messenger style. Very cool. Ah, there's the ether with the reality stone in it, and it comes in its own box. Oh man, isn't that the coolest thing ever? Yeah? Very awesome. You're so funny. I love these screens. So you can buy the stones, the Infinity Stones sets together. So when you buy like one of these, it comes with a stone, and then you can buy the rest of the set as well to complete it. But they all light up once they are like locked in to the hands here, and it is phenomenal. What a great merchandise find here. They've really outdone themselves in trying to make something really special for this experience and those Marvel fans. Got lots of keychains and pins, but look, more of that Xandarian currency as well as a few more magnets, patches. Wow. Looks like we got a Star Wars collection here between the helmet and the jacket. I really like those tumblers. Those water bottles are really, really cool. But then we've also got the youth section right over here on this side. So if you got a miniature Star-Lord that needs to be equipped, you can handle it here. Oh, look, there's Gamora stuff too. Amazing. Look at this baby Groot. It lights up. How cool is that? You can find all the Groot things over this way, including pins, patches, plushies, even little pop-eyed succulent looking things. They've got Groot and Rocket there. Oh man, this is awesome. I think these are probably my new favorite thing. They got the orb, the Tesseract here. You can actually do the Space Stone with it for $99.99. I believe the Tesseract Scepter are $119.99, if I'm remembering correctly. And then they've also got low-key helmets and goblets over this way. Look, these are pin sets. Oh man, those are cool. Scepter pins. These are $19.99. What a great gift for someone. That's really neat. Very inventive. Here's what everything looks like all lit up. Now there's the ether, the Tesseract, the orb, and you've got the scepter back here. Oh man, these are super fun. Oh, and they charge. That's nice to know. These are the cases for the rest of the Infinity Stones. So if you're looking to buy one of those gauntlets or you're looking to buy the scepters, these are the briefcases for the remainder of the stones, which are $39.99. I know that they were giving these out complimentary with the gauntlets when the rest of the merchandise went on sale last week. There's some more keychains over here. We've got like Xandarian, like, what are these? Remote controls, $16.99. They're a charm with sound effects. That's cool. It looks almost like a remote control. We got the Milano, die-cast vehicles, youth shirts, More of the Star Blaster and the die cast. Ooh, these are fun. These are a magnet. It's got Rocket and Groot. $9.99 on that one. More pins. Oh, these are cool. And they even move a little bit. And they've got the ride vehicles here for sale that you can kind of pull back and let go. And then they kind of go on their own. Ooh, more magnets here. Love the 80s retro feel to these. These are $9.99. And then they've also got the shirts that are more of like a thicker garment material. Hats. Oh, there's another look at the shirt. Got a matching pin. Got some old school water bottle. These are really cool. $14.99 for that one. Mugs. Fleece throws. Ooh, I love the patches here. Ooh, is this a keychain with like the patch on it? That's really cool. It says Marvel on the back. Got lanyards here if you're looking to pin trade in different colors. They've also got an honorary Guardian keychain. Very nice. I like all this. And then you've also got that stellar neon sign there for only a cool $150. Yeah, it's purchasable. They've also got Yondo's Finn and Arrow over there. I think that's in a youth size though, but it's pretty sweet. Here's a couple of the die casts put together. Some of the Star Wars stuff and the Groot things. And then there's a dancing Groot too. They have done such a phenomenal job on this shop. Hi! Oh, look how cool this is.
But we no longer accept free tokens at this establishment. Please convert that currency to something more amenable before making a purchase. Your understanding is most appreciated. Thank you.
Looks like we got something going on tonight. Epcot will actually be closing a little early at 8 o'clock, and I think it's because the shop, Wonders of Xandar, is going to be having its official, or I'm sorry, Treasures of Xandar is going to be having its official opening. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and start riding, or getting in line for our ride. We were able to grab a virtual queue line, so we're group 103, sounds like we're being called, and ready to ride. As a reminder, this ride has a height limit of 42 inches, so if you're thinking about bringing your little ones here, you're going to want to make sure that they are tall enough to ride before you get them in the line, otherwise you might have some pretty disappointed kiddos here. Oh, that's really cool.
Some people just wear it because they're home.
Look at the robot here, this is so awesome.
And you didn't get it yourself? Congratulations! Where are you from? Oh, what part of Ohio? And do they have robots up there? There's no one like me. Young love.
Hi!
I look good on that one. How you doing?
Very cool. We're gonna pop over here to Space 220 and see if we can get into the lounge for a bit, because we've never been. So it would be really nice to see if we can hop in. So we couldn't come into Space 220 to grab something really light, so we've come over to the Katsura Grill, which is located in the Japan Pavilion of Epcot. It's one of our most favorite places to eat. I think I'm gonna do the chicken and beef teriyaki, and Jonathan said he was gonna do the chicken teriyaki. And I'm thinking we might pick up a piece of cheesecake for dessert. We'll see. But very, very good food, and portions are fantastic, so, and I can't wait for you all to see what they look like. Here it is, the finished product. So Jonathan got the chicken teriyaki with the mixed vegetables and the white rice. We also got the cheesecake slice, and then I've got the beef or chicken teriyaki and beef, but instead of mixed vegetables, I opted in for extra rice.
Thank you for being here with us. You guys are absolutely incredible. Always a pleasure to be here. But right now, this next song is called Jump. So let's turn this place, Epcot, into a rock show. Are you ready? Now I know it's hot, but we're all sweating already, so who cares? Here we go. Everybody jump. Here we go. Does anybody knows this next part coming up here? Let's hear it, Disney. How long will I be waiting until the end of? I don't know why I'm still waiting. I can't make you mine. Our first album, which that song was on, No Pads, No Helmets, Just Balls. You guys remember that one? Can you believe it came out 20 years ago? 20 years ago. I don't know about you, but it makes me feel a little bit old. Yeah, right, a little bit. That's okay. You know what? I look at you guys out there and you still got it. Don't worry about it. You still got it. How did you end up like this? Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab. And he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now I'm going to bed and my stomach is sick. But it's all in my head and she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress. Now let me go. And here he goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid. I ain't a little not fair. Nobody cares. I'm alone and the world is having more fun than me. So what the hell is wrong with me? Time to be with anybody having the sound and tell me.
Hey, so special to be back at Disney. About 2 years and a half ago, February 2020, March 2020, we were supposed to be here. We were literally on the plane. And we had to turn around and we couldn't do this. And we've been waiting 2 years and a half to finally come back. To finally be able to celebrate music all together. Isn't that great? Every time I come back and do this show, I feel like a kid again. So tonight, I wanna feel that again. I wanna do something that I've missed so much. I've missed going in the crowd and hanging out with you and high-fiving each and every one of you. So, with your permission, Disney, is that cool if I go hang out with you guys? Is that okay, guys? All right. Seth, birthday boy, let's do it. Do it. I'm coming to see ya. All right, get going. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm just a kid, life is a nightmare.
Oh wow, they're such good sports here. Especially since they brought their families on vacations with them, so it's really cool. This is weird. Have you ever seen the Italy fireworks or Italy lights go off during the day? I thought they were only supposed to go off during the fireworks. Weird. Oh my goodness, look at all these yummy desserts. They've even got a Werther's Original Caramel Cupcake. And they've got one that's a candied apple, of course, the ever popular caramel popcorn, which is actually what I'm after right now. Looks like a pecan cluster, Mickey marshmallow. Man, this looks so good down here. Lots and lots of good treats. Wow, what a phenomenal afternoon out. We really just came out to make sure that we could see Treasures of Xandar, so now that it's actually open, and we got kind of surprised. I didn't pay attention that Simple Plan was actually playing today, or this weekend, so it's nice to kind of sit and relax and take in the concert. I don't think I've actually seen one of the Garden Rocks concerts in person yet this year, so I'm looking forward to that. Maybe playing White Tees in a couple weeks, we'll see. But for now, they are kicking us out a little early from Epcot. It's closing a little early. I believe there's a wedding that they're setting up for in one of those other pavilions. So we're gonna call it an afternoon. But thanks so much for joining us for a Sunday stroll. And I hope that you had just as much fun as we did. We'll probably be back tomorrow to see the last Simple Plan concert because we did miss a little bit of it. But it's been a great afternoon. So for now, we're gonna say bye, and we'll catch you guys on the next ride. Bye, everybody.